In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email notification when someone submits Microsoft Forms. If you want to know the moment someone fills out your form, the easiest option is a built-in setting right inside Microsoft Forms. It's quick to turn on and doesn't require any extra tools. Here's how it works and what to expect. First, sign in and open your form at forms.microsoft.com. From your Forms dashboard, look toward the top of the page for the Settings option, typically shown as a gear icon. Click that to open the Settings panel for the form you're currently editing. In the panel, find the option labeled Get Email Notification of Each Response and check the box. That's it. With this switched on, the form owner will receive an email every time someone submits a response. A few helpful points so you know exactly how this behaves. By default, notifications go only to the creator or owner of the form. If you were hoping to notify multiple people, the built-in option won't do that. It's designed for simple owner alerts. If you ever transfer ownership of the form to another account, that new owner may need to open Settings and enable the option again to receive notifications. If your form is a group form, notifications can behave differently depending on your organization's settings. In some tenants, alerts may route to the group mailbox rather than an individual inbox, and you might need group email permissions in place to actually see them. If you're not receiving alerts for a group form, check whether you have access to the group's inbox and consult your organization's group email policies to ensure those messages are allowed. A few quick troubleshooting tips can save time. If you don't see the emails, check your junk or spam folder and look in Focused and other inbox views if you use Focused Inbox. Make sure any inbox rules aren't auto-filing the notifications away. Also confirm you're signed into the correct Microsoft account that owns the form. Notifications are tied to the form owner's email. This built-in method is perfect when you just need a fast, reliable heads-up. If you ever need more control over who gets notified or what the email looks like, there are advanced automation options outside this setting, but for most cases, the checkbox in Settings is all you need. Turn it on, share your form link, and you'll be notified each time a response comes in.